Some called it a fairy tale. Others called it the beginning of the end. On May 19, 2018, Prince Harry and Meghan Markle were married in St. George's Chapel at Windsor Castle, a modern royal fairy tale that captivated the world. From Meghan's elegant Givenchy gown to the moving sermon by Bishop Michael Curry, their wedding was both deeply traditional and refreshingly different. Watched by nearly 2 billion people around the globe, the day was filled with symbolism, star-studded guests, and heartfelt moments, a royal celebration unlike any other.